This is ST. This is ST. This is ST. This is ST. Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à Grenoble, France. Thank you, Manuel, for showing us how the new ST-Link V3 Power will help all developers lower power consumption and improve overall efficiency. Reducing the environmental impact of embedded systems is something we take extremely seriously. And throughout this event, you've seen how we're working hard to lower the power consumption of our solutions. However, we at ST believe that for technology to have a positive impact on our planet and society, it also needs to be produced in a sustainable way. This is why we have been taking steps for over 25 years to reduce our resource consumption, source responsible materials, produce in a cleaner way, and much more. Do you ever wonder how a semiconductor manufacturer can reach carbon neutrality and source 100% electrical energy from renewable sources? Let me give you some insights on how ST is doing this. In our commitment to 100% renewable energy by 2027, as an example, we've covered our car parks with 12,000 square meters of solar panels, generating almost 3 gigawatt-hour per year here in Grenoble. Another example is in Bouskoura, Morocco, where we've installed 7,000 square meters of solar panels, generating around 2 gigawatt-hour per year. We also supply our manufacturing operations in Morocco with 12 wind turbines located near the site, generating more than 50 gigawatt-hour per year. This represents 50% of the manufacturing site's energy consumption. We will continue to deploy on-site solar panels and also engage with long-term contracts for wind turbine power generation all over our main sites. Of course, the primary challenge in the semiconductor industry is to reduce power consumption itself. At ST, we've managed since 2016 to reduce by 20% the energy used per wafer produced. This was achieved thanks to innovative installations such as heat recovery or error-free cooling. Another important contributor going forward that we announced last year was the adoption of a district cooling system in Singapore, ST's single largest wafer fabrication site. This investment of around $400 million will eliminate 30% of the site's carbon emissions. All in all, we have reduced absolute greenhouse gas emissions by 38% since 2018, and we are on track to meet our carbon neutrality and renewable energy commitments by 2027. Personally, I work in sales and marketing, not production, yet I know I can have an impact too. For example, we are reducing our digital power consumption by using virtualization and more efficient servers. ST is encouraging all of us to commute and travel using as much as possible clean transportation with site mobility plans. With all these actions and measurements, we have been able to reduce the carbon footprint of our low-power STM32 microcontrollers from about 390 grams CO2 in 2013 to 120 grams in 2023. I'm very pleased to announce that from now on, we will be able to inform you on the individual carbon footprint of some of our STM32 microcontrollers, like the H5 and U5 series. I believe you have a lot of ideas to create advanced applications that embed STM32 and will contribute to societal and environmental challenges. And now we want to hear from you. Tell us the steps you are taking to create embedded systems that will make the world better. Ask us your questions and get more information during this next Q&A session. So let's accelerate sustainability together. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.